No, you've not defined it now. You've forgotten. You have to define the function before you can call it. Remember, I had to do def, add. Did you get? So if for subtract, that means you have to do def, subtract. You have to do that definition part before you can call it. So you need to take out that line. Remove that whole line, that whole print line. You cannot call something that you have not defined. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Uh, I don't think it will allow you to. You can take out that line. Yes, yes. Okay, but you have to change the name. Change the name of the function. It's not add again. You understand? Can you delete?
Yes,
Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. So now you can now call your print function.
sir.
Do you want to say the difference between num1 and num2 is, or do you just want to say the difference is?
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
That's it. 64.
All right. 64. Okay. So does it do what we expected it to do? I think it calls it correctly. And
It did what we wanted to do.
yeah, 70 minus 6 is actually 64. Correct. Okay. Okay. So what do you think is the next one we'll try out?
The multiplication.
Multiplication, correct. So go ahead and try it out. Remember to define it first.
Chicken sliding. Rainbow. Arigato. Product. Maya.
That's your best bet to avoid the spelling error.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right.
The product is 420. Is that correct? 70 times 6. 7 times 6 is 42, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Division.
Division, correct.
I have to scroll down. I scroll down.
Yes, you can. Or you just be
Yeah, now let me scroll down. So just continue.
to let you hit enter, but you've not changed the name. You've not changed the name of the function.
I forgot.
Ah.
Nice. Ish.
Correct. Okay.
Control V, so I don't spell it wrong. We'll see. The 11.6666666666666, and it goes on.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Yes, sir. Can I go to the toilet?
Okay, don't be long.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay. So let's do one for int division, integer division. You can just call it int div instead of full division.
Okay, so I integration int B.
Mm-hmm. Please remember, no spaces between the names.
Oh
So
yeah.
just like variable name, we don't do spaces between.
Yes, sir. So double for
Okay.
this one.
Yes, double.
The what remainder after division.
No, 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 no. This one is not remainder. This one is integer quotient. That's, you understand, whole number quotient when you cut out the decimal part. So you can just call it
So
integer quotient. Yes, please. Okay.
it's 11.
Exactly. So you see, it cut out the 66666. If you were to round up 11.6, what will it come to?
11.6.
Uh,
That's one of 12.
if you were to round it up to a whole number, what will it be?
12. I mean 11.
No, it's 12. You're right. It's actually 12
Oh,
because the 0.6 is more than 0.5. And mathematically, anything that is more than 0.5, that is either 0.5 or more than 0.5, should be rounded up to 1 and added to the whole number on the left-hand side. So that's why 11 would have become 12. So, but you can see that it is not rounding up. It is cutting off the decimal part. That's why it is. That's why we call it integer quotient. Okay. All right. So I think, have we done all the math operators? Let's do remainder. Remainder after division. Modulus.
plus.
Yes, exactly. Okay, you can paste there. Let's see. No, you forgot to change the. Don't forget to change the name. Oh, the name and the operator. And don't make the name too long. Okay, you called it remainder. Okay, that's fine. Okay. All right.
1, 2. So what should I put for
Hmm?
this one?
How come?
What should I put for this?
Why do you have two open parentheses? You have you.
Sir?
It will give you an error. Why do you have to? Why do you have two open parentheses there?
Oh, I probably did by accident.
Uh-huh. Okay. All right. But it's not integer quotient. You called it now. I
Oh,
think
yeah.
it's modulus, right? You just said the modulus. Or the
Okay.
remainder after division. Anyone?
Okay.
Okay. So is it correct? The number 70 and 6.
Yeah.
If we divide 70 by
Right.
6, is the remainder.
Yes, sir.
How do we
It's right.
how because 6 into 70 is how many times?
60 to 70 is 11 times. So
11
then
times.
11 times 6 equals 66. Add 4 equals 70. So the remainder is 70.
The remainder is 4.
And yeah, the remainder is 4. Sorry,
Okay.
I meant 4.
Uh-huh. Okay. All right. No problem. Yes. Yeah. It's right. It's correct. Okay. All right. So now, what I want to show you is this. you see, when we created the function, right, and we use return, did you notice that for us to test it, we have to call a print statement to be able to call the function?
Okay. Oh, yes.
So now what I want to do, I want to show you another way we can do the function such that we will not use return statement. We will put the print statement directly inside the function, directly inside the function definition. So I'm going to, I'll type one and send to you, then you will just do the others yourself. Let me get the one that which I've already typed. So that's the add. Okay. Return. Okay. So I'm taking out return and I'm putting return is
I lost my talking for
okay. Take a look at what I sent.
Yes, sir.
Can you see that there's no return statement? The print statement is directly inside. So in this case, there's no need to put another print statement outside. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So when you are calling it, just call the add this thing. So copy and paste it. Let's test it and see how we'll test it.
Huh?
Yes, go ahead and copy it now. Copy it and paste it in the editor.
Down, down, oh, let me appear on different lines. No. Okay. Keep it easy. Well, it's going to show another arrow key. Why didn't it show an arrow key?
What did you say?
It's meant to be showing arrow key after 2 clicks, but not showing arrow key. 1, 2, 3.
You're not done now. You're inside the
What?
function. It cannot show you arrow key because you're inside the function. You understand?
Dee dum dum dee. That's what sounds I don't give a fuck. Let's stop with it's not working.
It's okay now. Why did you delete it?
Okay. Dee dum dum dee. That's what times.
So now, to test it, I'm going to send you the code to test it now. That's the code you use to test it. Did you see that I did not put another print statement again, unlike the
Yes, sir.
other ones?
So I put it underneath
Yes, you just
or above.
hit enter twice, come out of it, create your variables and call it, finish.
Huh?
You have to hit enter twice before you start doing what you're doing.
Okay. So if you want. Put it. Go on Facebook. Okay.
All right, so go ahead and hit enter.
Oh, it's
Did you notice,
83.
did you notice what happened? Did
Yes,
you
sir.
notice what happened?
Yes, sir.
The print function is already inside the add function. So there was no need to start saying print again. It will just call print by itself.
Okay, sir.
And of course, after calling print, as it's calling print, it's also carrying out the addition there by itself. So you can see
Okay,
it,
sir.
Abby.
Yeah.
So this is another way of this. You can look at this as another way of doing what? Creating your functions. So think about it like this. Anytime you see you have to put print inside the function, then there's no need to call print again when you're testing it. But if you did not call print inside the function when you are defining it, then you obviously need to call print when you are testing it.
Okay, sir.
Did you get that?
Yes, sir.
For subtraction, let's see if you understand it. Just do the one for subtraction. This new method.
Yes, sir. Papa. Huh?
You've not changed the sign. No. The difference between A and B is all right. And change when you're good. Yes. Subtraction. Look at what you're typing now. Look at what you're typing.
Huh? It's very hard to see. What?
What happened?
How? I don't know.
What did he say? Syntax error, multiple statements found while compiling a single statement.
Okay.
Do you remember that?
Yes.
Yeah? What did you say?
I know why.
Uh-huh.
I used
So,
too many times.
yes, you copied, when you copied 3 lines at the same time. So that was what caused that problem. So just try and see how you can copy them one by one. One line, just the num 1 74, num 2 9, and then subtraction. Just do it. And after you paste each one, you hit enter, go to the next line, hit enter, go to the next line.
Okay. What about monkey?
Not the definition, no. Not the definition, not that one.
Why?
The place where you are. In fact, you don't even need that one. You've already told us num 1 is 74 before already, isn't it? Just call the function. Yes, exactly. That's all. So the difference between 74 and 9 is 65. Okay? All right, I think it's correct. Okay. Okay. So let's see. Do the one for multiplication. Maybe that's where we'll stop for today.
Bonjour.
The product of, yes. Okay. Multiplication. Yeah, don't copy. What else? What's next?
Uh, um, oh, but
Isn't it?
I'm trying to put so annoying because this thing, the paint button is in my
Uh,
way. Oh, I can
the
move it.
paint.
You know the paint
Can
button.
you
Uh,
move it up now? Move it away.
I'm trying to move it away, but it's not moving.
I'm coming.
So I
It's
can't
not moving.
figure out. Yeah, I'm trying to move it.
Can you hit enter and go beyond it? Okay. You've pasted something else. Okay. Okay. Okay,
Multiplication.
better.
And I can just copy it. Just okay.
All right. Let's see it.
What's wrong?
Unexpected indent. Okay, that space. That's why. So you see
Okay.
that space. Anytime you see a space in Python, it's called an indent. Okay. Okay. The product of 74 and 9 is 666. Okay, because 9 times 7 is 63. 63 plus 3 is 66. Okay, that's good. Okay, so the remaining ones, quotient, that's division, integer quotient, and modulus. You do that one as your homework. Then I'll send you one more question that will need you to combine all of them in one function. Okay?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Do you think it's something you can do?
Wait, combine them to one
Uh,
portion.
yes, all of them will be in one function. So you have a function, the name of the function will be math ops. Then in parentheses, the parameters are a comma b. Then you will do addition. You have a print statement for addition, have another print statement for subtraction. Do you understand? Another print statement for multiplication, another print statement for division, another print statement for integer division, another print statement for modulus, all inside one function. So when you call that function once, it will do all of them for you
Are
at
you going to
once.
are you
Do you
going
get
to
it?
send are you going to send me how to do it?
I just explained to you how to do it. It's just simple. Just this print statement will just be one after the other, but still inside the function. That's all. You know, all these functions we've been doing now, it's only one line of code. This one will have like 6 lines of code. Do you
Okay, sir.
understand now?
Yes, sir.
Hello, Simeon. Do you understand? It's not hard. You just see as you hit enter, it will take you to the next line. You type another print statement, hit enter, take you to the next line. Type another print statement, hit enter. That's all. You're just doing different print
Oh,
statements,
but
but all of
so
them
to
are
be showing
inside
me,
one function.
so to be showing me
It will
like
begin with
the answer.
no. As you're typing it within that function, it will not show you any answer. At that point, you are still defining it. Remember, it's a comma b.
I'm
You're just
confused.
defining it. It's
I'm
later
confused.
when you call it what's confusing you? There are two
Hello? I
parts
can't hear you.
of this thing. The
I
part where
can't hear
you
you, sir.
define, and then the
I can't
part
hear
where you
you.
call. Simple.
I can't hear you, sir.
Can you hear me?
I couldn't hear you before. Can you repeat it again? I couldn't hear
Can you hear
you.
me now?
Yeah, I can hear you now, but I wasn't hearing what you
Can you
were
hear me
explaining.
now? I can hear you.
Yeah, your voice was cracking while you were explaining, so I couldn't
Ah,
hear you. So I
how
couldn't
about
hear you.
now?
Yeah, I can hear you now. Can you repeat it?
I said that. Can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah. At the point, okay, good. Yes, I will. At the point of definition, at the point where you are defining it, eh, you will not see any answer. You are just seeing the, okay? But after that definition, that is when you will now see answers.
What do
Did you
I
get
put?
it now?
When I put the definition, what do I put next to it?
Math math ops. Just call it math ops.
Okay.
Uh,
So,
it's your
ops.
homework, oh, not now.
I thought you were doing it now.
No. It's your homework. So just do it. You can do it inside this file and save it in this file. You understand? If you want to do it now, you can do it now, save it inside this file, and
Also,
then
so
when we come in the next, eh?
I'll, I'll still put I'll still put number one equal. I'll still what do I put? Okay, I get it now. I get it. I get how to do it.
Uh-huh. Remember, it's not only this one that you will do. You still have division and
yes.
integer division and modulus to do before that one. And then when you finish, save everything in this file. You can call it what should we call the file? Okay, let's just call it custom functions. Custom functions. I wanted to say customized functions. You remember the name that I said you should save it as customized functions. Customized means it's your own. You're the one who defines it the way you want.
Okay, sir.
All right. So if you have any questions, you can ask me via WhatsApp. I think you have enough experience now. Okay. So our next class is when? Thursday, right?
So on Thursday, one of my friends that come to my house. So can we do on Friday?
The person is the person spending the whole day in your house?
They're going like 6 or 7, and they're coming by like 12.
So they will not allow you to have your classes. That's what you're trying to say.
Like that's the only person. So yeah. So he's the only person there.
No, what I'm trying to say is, won't he allow you to have your own class when you want to have class?
No, because he will have nothing to do. Because it's me.
What do you
Because
mean
he's
you have
me.
nothing?
He's me coming home to play with.
So he cannot wait for 1 hour. He can't give you 1 hour to have your class.
No.
That's weird. What time did he say he's coming to the house?
It can come like 12 or 1.
Okay, let's have our class before he comes then.
But I'll be sleeping by then. I'll be sleeping by then.
You'll be sleeping by 12 o'clock.
I'll be eating.
You'll be
I'll be either still sleeping or I'll be eating.
Simeon, you can see. Try and make it work. Look for a way for us to have our class before he comes. Just find a way. I'll not lie to you. Friday will not work for me because I'll be at work. I will not be available on Friday. If you want us to have it on Friday, we can't have it on Friday because I'll be at work. So look for a way. Let's have 1 hour before he comes.
Okay, sir.
So if he's coming by 12, that means we can do 11 to 12. Right?
Yes, sir.
Just make it work. We can make it work. It's all about sacrifice. We can make it work. All right. So see you then by 11.
You too, sir.
All right.